Breastfeeding is a beautiful part of life, but you may feel overwhelmed looking at all the parts. Follow these few simple steps and you'll be good to go. Before use, wash and sterilize the breast pump first. To disassemble, remove the bottle from the bottle stand. Separate the flange from the main body and the Comfort Properit flange from the flange. Remove the handle from the shaft and then from the stem of the main body. Remove the bottle from the main body. Gently pull the silicone valve out. Detach the diaphragm from the main body and the stem from the diaphragm. For assembling, follow these steps. To begin, insert the stem into the diaphragm. Place the diaphragm on top of the main body and firmly secure it in the groove of the main body. Hold the base of the silicone valve and attach it to the main body. Screw the main body onto the bottle. Align the shaft of the main body with the groove in the handle. Push until you hear it click. Keep it top-notch for stimulation mode. Press the push part at the tip of the handle for expression mode. Attach the Comfort Properit flange cover to the flange and attach them to the main body. Press the bottle into the bottle stand. The Manual Breast Pump by Pigeon.